Do you remember the last time I was at this canyon? I'm up on Capilano River, and behind me is the same waterfall that was blowing so much power out 2 months ago. It's just a trickle now. It's a very smoky day. You can see there it's just coming down in a tiny stream, and landing there into the pool of water below. And now all of that water is very calm, and that's the fishery down there. It is very calm on this platform where I was, couldn't even hear me over the sound of the cascading water. So that's what can happen in 2 months. It's nice up here though, because it's quiet, except for the waterfall. Taking a break.